Influencers aren't new.
Don't call it a comeback. I've been here for years.
In 1974, the original influencer burst onto the scene.
Jeep Cherokee is the triple award-winning 4x4.
Boom, explosion.
It influenced people to get out there.
How you like me now?
It influenced families to spend time together. And it even influenced an entirely new category.
We wrote the book on four-wheel drive.
Years later, it's still influencing.
Mama said knock you out.
But instead of collecting followers, it creates a following. Instead of fishing for likes, it takes you fishing for real. Instead of scrolling, it keeps people rolling towards their next adventure. The all-new 2026 Jeep Cherokee.
Damn! Ooh! Don't call it a comeback.
Jeep, there's only one.